Ever been out on the trail, ready for adventure, and your rig gets stuck in a muddy mess, deep snow, or soft sand? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the deal. Having a solid set of recovery boards can turn a frustrating situation into a quick fix and keep your off-road day rolling smooth. In this video, we're checking out the best off-road recovery boards that'll have your back no matter what terrain you're up against. Don't forget, all the product links are down in the video description, so you can check them out while we roll through the list. Let's kick it off with the ARB. This board isn't just about looks, though the Stealth Black on Black or ARB Orange Teeth and Monument Gray body combo is pretty slick. What really makes it pop is the ExoTread construction, which gives it excellent flex and insane durability. The Sipe Lock grip profile helps your tires lock on tight, even in gnarly terrain. Plus, it's got special glass-filled nylon resin teeth that don't wear out fast under wheel spin. Users dig its strength, and the added leash option is a clutch bonus when your board gets buried. Definitely a premium pick with performance to match. Next up is the MAXTRAX, the OG Aussie recovery board. This bad boy is made from fiber-reinforced engineering-grade nylon and comes with a lifetime warranty. That's some serious confidence. Built-in shovels at each end and 6 easy grip handles mean you can dig, drag, and go without breaking a sweat. The cleats bite hard into tires and terrain to keep you from backsliding in the worst muck. Mounting them on your roof rack, easy. These things are trusted worldwide for a reason. They just plain work. Rolling into number 3, the Maxsa Escaper Buddy. If you want heavy duty, this is it. Each board is 34 inches long, 9 inches wide, and weighs a solid 14 pounds total. But that size means maximum grip, up to 10 tons of weight, no problem. The shark teeth style lugs grab your tires and don't let go, and it holds strong in temperatures from negative 15 degrees Celsius, that's 5 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 90 degrees Celsius, about 195 degrees Fahrenheit, and the metal grips on the track surface really stand out. This one's built like a tank for serious recovery. Coming in hot at number 2 is the X-Bull. These guys nailed the price-to-performance ratio. Made with fiber-reinforced nylon and high-impact polypropylene, these tracks are tough enough to bend 90 degrees without snapping. They've got smartly placed cross-shaped teeth for serious traction and dual-sided ramp patterns for extra grip on either end. They're 41.7 inches long, light at 11.2 pounds per pair, and come with a carry bag and optional mounting gear. Functioning in temps from negative 20 degrees Celsius, that's negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. These are built for the real-world wild stuff. And topping the list, Bunker INDUST. This board is all about features. First off, there's a jack base built into the middle, so you've got a stable surface for lifting and emergency repairs. That's clutch. Made from upgraded automotive-grade polypropylene, they're super flexible, bend up to 120 degrees, and can handle 10 tons, no sweat. The double-sided diamond array gives grip from both ends, and the strengthened teeth won't melt under wheel spin. Contoured ramps make getting under the tire a breeze, and it works in temps from negative 30 degrees Celsius, that's negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit, to 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a carry bag and recovery leash, and you're looking at the full off-road package. All right, folks, that wraps our rundown on the best off-road recovery boards out there. Whether you need military-grade durability or just a reliable backup for weekend wheeling, these picks have got you covered. Don't forget, all the links to these products are down below in the description. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Drop a comment with your favorite, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next trail-tested gear review. Stay safe and keep on wheeling.